Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Facebook Ads Manager Pixel, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling the Facebook Ads Manager Pixel, open your Facebook Ads Manager account. Log in using your credentials. Navigate to the Events Manager from the main menu. Once you are in Events Manager, look for the Data Sources section. Click on Pixels to see all the pixels associated with your account. Select the pixel you would like to uninstall. In the Pixel Details page, locate the Settings tab. Under the Settings tab, find the option that says Pixel ID. Make a note of the Pixel ID, as you may need it later. Scroll down to the section labeled Implementation. You will see installation instructions or code snippets for your pixel. If you have hard-coded the pixel into your website, proceed to your website's source code. Open the HTML of your website where the pixel code is installed. Locate the pixel code, which typically starts with FBQ, init. Delete the entire pixel code from your website's HTML. After removing the pixel code, save the changes to your website. Return to the Events Manager in Facebook. In the pixel settings, look for an option that allows you to disable the pixel. Choose the option to disable or delete the pixel. Confirm your choice when prompted by Facebook. Your pixel has now been uninstalled from your website and disabled in the Ads Manager. It may take some time for the changes to reflect across all Facebook services. You have successfully completed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.